Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can enable the new feature of sleep mode on Instagram. So if you didn't know, Instagram has introduced a sleep mode in which you can set your sleep timings, and whenever you open Instagram during that time, Instagram would notify you that you're on your sleep mode, so you should rather sleep than use Instagram. So let's begin. Click on Instagram, and after that just click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. Once you're in your settings and activity, scroll down and click on time management. Here click on sleep mode, and now here you have to enable sleep mode. Just click on the toggle button and it will turn on. Then you have to click on the start time. Here select the time when your sleep mode should begin. For example, if I set it at 10 o'clock, and then end time, when your sleep mode will get finished. So for example, I select it at 6, and then choose the days of your sleep mode. Just select all the days. First will be, say, if you want to turn the days off, that will become black, and then click on save. So whenever you will open Instagram during these hours, then your Instagram will notify you that you're in your sleep mode and you should rather sleep than use Instagram. So that is basically how you can turn sleep mode on Instagram. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.